is an elephant. Look how awesome that is.
Hello.
Good morning!
Good morning.
We are so excited today. We're going on a safari in Chitwan and we are absolutely buzzing.
It's gonna be so good.
It's
We've got a full day of safari.
Well, we've got like a morning one, then we come back and then we have lunch and then we go on another one this evening. So
we paid $55 per person for this, so hopefully it's gonna be really good.
Yeah, I've got good hopes. Hopefully we'll see some rhinos and some elephants, and we've got everything crossed for a tiger, but they're really hard to see. So I've got a feeling we're not going to see
I was up at
tiger.
half 5, just like buzzing. So
I know, another
hopefully.
early start. So.
Look at the sun rising right now. There it is. Outfit check.
This is my safari outfit of the day. She's got the loose trousers.
She's vibing. She's
She's actually got the shirt on under.
Oh, cutesy.
But it's a bit chilly, so she's got a coat on.
My turn.
Oh yeah, he's rocking the khaki shirt.
Oh, do I look like I'm ready for safari?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Gorgeous.
I've got the same shades just in case, you know. If I can't see anything, put them on and then I can see again. She just said she's got a little excited dance coming, so she's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. The safari dance. The safari dance. The safari dance. Oh, it's just a little one. It's just a little one.
It's a little warm up for the day. So we're about to get on a boat, which I didn't know we were doing. So I'm hoping this takes us to our Jeep. The Jeep is the other side, I did check.
It was a bit of a worry at first, wasn't it? Right. Oh.
I was like, are we on the right thing? Are we with the right group?
On a lovely boat ride across the river.
Gorgeous.
Crocodile infested though.
I know, so many crocodiles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And right now, I'm in crocodile infested areas. This is going to be intense. Just found a rhino.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Oh dear.
Videographer right here. Reporting live. We're having such a fun morning. It's so amazing. We've seen so many things so far. We haven't seen any elephants though. Or any tigers. And apparently they've seen tigers this morning. So I'm really sad so far. No, I'm not sad. I'm not sad. I'm not sad.
Because we're going to see one. It's so hard. The bush is quite dense actually.
Bushy.
It's very bushy, and you're like thinking a tiger's got so much camouflage, and it's just gonna be tough to see one. But we're holding out. That's game drive 1 done.
Yeah. It was very quiet on the way back. Very quiet, but it always is in the middle of the day. Whenever we've done safaris before, it's always so quiet in the middle of the day. So we're gonna go back and have some lunch, and then we're going out on the afternoon game drive.
Fingers crossed. This is a good one.
Yeah, fingers crossed. I just like to see an elephant, to be
Yeah.
honest. One that's not domesticated.
Yeah.
We're on our afternoon safari now, and we've got good hopes.
High hopes.
High hopes.
for sure.
Yeah, so yeah, let's see what we find. We have just finished our safari for the day and it was unreal. We didn't see loads of things, loads of animals.
Final experience.
But our final sighting of a wild Nepalese rhino.
It was unreal, wasn't it? It was right there in front of us.
Right there in front of us. It was absolutely incredible, breathtaking. It was insane. It was one of those moments where you just want to bottle it up and just remember it forever. So hopefully we got some good videos, and yeah, we just soaked it all in. It was, we had like a 5-hour drive then. It was absolutely crazy, so long.
Just to find one rhino.
I know. So excited for tomorrow though. So tomorrow we're doing a jungle walk for 8 hours. Don't know who managed to convince me to do that, but we're going for it, and yeah, it's going to be really good. We've got our guide, he is such a legend. So yeah, so excited for that, and we'll see you tomorrow.
There is an elephant. Look how awesome that is.
Cheers!
Cheers.
To a fantastic day. It's been amazing.
We've also just seen an elephant on the front, which is pretty crazy.
Well, we've just been sat watching sunset, and we saw an elephant come for a drink in the river and then walk across the river.
That is crazy. Look at our drink spot.
Good morning. We are so excited. We're going on our jungle walk today. 8 hours of walking.
But first we've got a canoe ride.
Yeah,
So
1 hour canoe ride, see if we can see any birds and any crocodiles. So let's have a look.
Let's go have a look.
Oh, it's a thin one. Whoa.
Yes, please, you can have a seat here.
There?
Yeah.
Got it.
I'll go here. I'll go on this.
And she's down. Oh, it's wet. I got a wet bum.
Right there, hello.
Hold on tight now.
Rajasthan, yes.
So our guy think he's seen a giant hornbill. So we're just trekking through a non-path to see if we can get a shot of it. This is so intense. We just saw our first great hornbill. It's huge. It's huge and it's amazing. So cool. He was saying how some people come to Chitwan to just see them, and they don't see them for 7 days. So we're so lucky. This is crazy. We just saw a tiger footprint. This is honestly wild. It's a lot more rustic and wild than I thought it was going to be. I'm having to talk really quiet.
Rhinos across the river, we came to this place. Get out this place. You can keep it in your bag. When even if it is dry, then doesn't
Go for
matter.
it.
It smells so strong.
It's called betel.
Just chew on it?
How do you eat? Yes,
Okay.
yes. How do you eat? Like a rice. Like this a little, not too much. Medicine. Good, because you are coughing.
Give it a good spicy.
Not bad. It can clean your throat.
This could be a throat.
Wonderful. I don't have a sore throat, but
Nice?
spicy.
It is spicy.
Yeah.
I've got a feeling Nick might be a bit warm.
It's a warm.
You still got your backpack on? Yeah, it's like really bad. I would maybe take it off and let it there. So we just got to lunch and we've got egg fried rice. It looks delicious actually. Looks really nice. We've just had such a nice lunch. We just sat and watched the river whilst eating our egg fried rice. It was gorgeous. And now we're off again and I've got something stuck to my bag.
Nature.
So much nature. I love
You do
nature,
really well. You do actually really well.
but I don't like insects and there's a lot of bugs.
Normally you're like this, like constantly going through. You haven't been like that once.
I know.
So fair play to you.
You're making me want to itch now though. Fingers crossed for something good this afternoon. Where do tigers usually hide? Do
Yes,
they like that?
just to hide.
Yeah.
Just to come to their destination, they follow always the clearer path like this.
Yeah. We've just seen our first wild elephant. So you're not about to see it, but hopefully you can get some shots. Yeah.
Later we will continue from here.
So we just spent an hour up in this lovely watchtower. Unfortunately, we didn't see anything. Everything seems to be sleeping, just like me a minute ago, because I had a little nap. Yeah.
We're going to search for someone now.
We're going to
We can do
continue
this. We
walking.
can
Come on now, I've got high hopes now. I'm feeling good, feeling ready. I'm on the lookout, I'm on the prowl. Oh my god, we just seen a massive rhino. Oh, and a baby. And a baby, and a baby. Mama, baby. Oh my god. Yeah, it's little. Another rhino.
There is another one coming. To attack, we need to run.
Okay. This is so stressful. I feel so on edge. There's a rhino behind the bush that we're about to stand in front of.
It's not a safety area. Okay, we go back. You can see its ear is torn. They are very dangerous.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, I'm ready to climb. I don't want to come again. He ran away. He ran away. Oh my god.
If the ear is torn like that, then they are a little bit dangerous one.
So, we just got charged by a rhino. But now he's calling us back to see more. And I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Wow. That's amazing. He's going the other way. He's off. Oh my god. Oh shit. Does it happen often?
Yeah.
Where you have to run?
No, not usually like that.
No? Special treat for us.
Only sometimes we need to notice the rhino. But its ear is torn.
Oh.
And, at the time, I already noticed him. He's a little bit dangerous one.
Yeah.
The rest of them, they're on our right side.
So our guide was just telling us that the male rhino we just saw, he recognises him because he has a slightly bent ear where he's been fighting, and he's known for being slightly aggressive, so that makes sense now.
I loved it, Fee. It was incredible. The moments where they come at you and they're all there in front of you, it's so much better than being in a jeep. It gets you excited. My heart was pounding throughout all of it when they get those encounters. Incredible. Loved it.
What an amazing day, honestly. I cannot put into words how wild. Wild is the perfect word for this one, because that was wild. Wild, crazy, amazing.
And then, picture this. We've just been charged by a rhino, and then I'm like, to look in there, and he's like, I can't see it. I get on one knee, and I point, I'm like, I'm sure that's a tiger. And he goes, no, it's a deer. Guide.
Fuming.
This place is my hand, Fiona.
There's something outside our gates. We think it might be a wild elephant. Oh my god. Where's it? Sorry. Where'd he go?
That's crazy.
Where?
They're shining a light on something as well.
Yeah.
This is wild. Everyone's just shouting. Oh yeah. Oh my god. He's just wandering. Yeah. He's having the best time.
This is just outside the hotel.
Literally outside our hotel wall, there's a wild elephant right now.
That's crazy.
On the loose.
Oh my god. Yeah, that is insane.
There's a rhino right in front of us in amongst all the hotels.
Big loss. The elephants.
Hotel we're staying at. Rhino.
That's a rhino.
But it's the same one. It's not the same.
Whiffy and Nick.
And that was Chitwan.
Woo!
Oh, she's doing a safari dance. Oh, the safari. A bit more safari, bit more safari. Safari, safari, safari. Rah, rah. Oh yeah, safari.